Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Bosch appliance is showing the E31 error code, you may notice that the cycle stops unexpectedly or the machine refuses to continue operating normally. Error codes like E31 can appear because of moisture related issues, sensor irregularities, or temporary control board interruptions. Since several conditions can cause the Bosch appliance to display this message, it's helpful to go through some basic troubleshooting before considering repairs. In many cases, simple checks and a reset can help determine whether the issue is temporary. In this video, I'll walk you through several easy steps that may help clear the E31 error on your Bosch appliance. Try these. Step 1. Take note of the E31 message displayed on the Bosch appliance. Step 2. Turn off and unplug the Bosch appliance from the power source. Step 3. Leave the Bosch appliance disconnected for several minutes to allow a full reset. Step 4. Inspect the area around the Bosch appliance for signs of excess moisture or leaks. Step 5. Reconnect the Bosch appliance and start a fresh cycle. Step 6. Observe the Bosch appliance and verify whether the E31 error reappears.